First attack, sige.
Pasok!
Reyes. Sige. Rebound by Manansala. Manansala sa number 13. 13, lumilalim. Lugod. Rebound by number 84. Pass to Torres. Torres. There's a loose ball. 6 minutes and 43 seconds. It's the number 3. Intercept by Reyes. Reyes on the line. Reyes.
Traveling.
Traveling violation. 6 minutes and 30 seconds. Number 3. 5-point lead. Hindi po tayo umalis sa 46-41. Nangunguna ang St. James ng 5 puntos. Here's the Lachenza. To Manansala. 10 seconds shot clock. Manansala. Chop shot. Lugod. Rebound by Warang. Pass to Villaluna. Villaluna to Torres. Torres. There's a foul. Foul on number 3. Substitution. Number 21 out.
David, i-sure mo. Kailangan natin yung laptop, ano?
Verse 2. Wala.
Oh, di pala kakabutas, ha?
Torres. From free throw line. Last attempt. Too good.
Okay. Nice. Morning ball.
Kaya Chenza.
Oh.
6 minutes and 5 seconds. Torres. Torres. Rebound Villaluna. There's a foul. Foul on number 13. Substitution. Number 11 out. Number 13, third personal foul.
Yan.
First throw, Villaluna. Basket.
Napa?
Lugod. White ball. Five minutes and 42 seconds. Anim na po ang nilalawang ng St. James. There's number 13. Nako, may tiwagan ng foul. Foul on number 28. Out of shooting. Tatlo po yan. First two. Wala. Second two. Basket by number 13. Here's now for the last two. Number 13.
Yos.
Basket. 2 points by 13. Sablasina. Tuburan. To Torres. Torres to Reyes. Reyes to Lalim. There's a foul.
Samship.
Foul on number 30. Substitution. First personal foul. Number 84 out. First throw on Reyes. Hindi pumasok. 5 minutes and 20 seconds. 4-point lead by St. James. Last throw, wala. Rebound sa Lasino. Intercept by Reyes. Reyes. Wala rin. Tuburan. Wala pa rin. Offensive rebound on Reyes. 5 minutes and 10 seconds. Tuburan. Sa ilalim. Villaluna. Basket.
Yan ang gusto kong shot.
Foul on number 9, Sarmiento. Sarmiento, fourth personal foul.
One shot lang yan. One shot. Back up. Oh.
6-point lead ang St. James. Villaluna for the free throw. Wala. Sa Sarmiento. Sarmiento sa number 13. Nice play by Sarmiento. Number 13. Four minutes and 55 seconds remaining in the first half. Number 13, magaling ng 3. Basket. Number 13, 3 points. Wilson Torres. Tatlo na lang po ang nilalaman ng St. James. 10 seconds shot clock. Torres. Magaling ng 3. Wala. Rebound ni Atienza. Pass break to number 3. Number 3. Tumira. Wala. Rebound ni Reyes. Reyes sa Torres. Nakawala ang sapatos sa Blasino. Tutubura. Tugod. Rebound ni Atienza. There's a foul. Foul number 28. Penalty.
Ito po ang mga galing USA.
Acknowledge yung arrival of our honorable Mayor Galat. First throw, Atienza. Basket.
7.
Acknowledge the arrival of Brother Ronald. Andiyan po, naka-shades. 4 minutes and 15 seconds remaining in the second half. 2-point lead by St. James. Last throw po na Atienza. Lugod, rebound Sarmiento. Sarmiento to Atienza. Jump shot.
Yes!
Basket to Atienza. Tabla po sa 49. 4 minutes and 2 seconds. Ang ganda po ng laban. Kanina pa po itong nakunahan ng kabilang pupunan. Here's now Torres. Sam Lasino. Tumuran. Wala. Reyes. Lugod. Rebound ni Sam Lasino. Sa ilalim. Basket. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. 51-49. Lumamang na naman ang dalawa ang St. James. 10 seconds shot clock. Jump shot. Lugod. Rebound by Sarmiento. Back to number 13. 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Sarmiento. Number 20. Jump shot. Lugod. Rebound by Villaluna. Villaluna on the line. There's down on Reyes. Here's a foul. Foul on number 12, Atienza. 3 minutes and 5 seconds. Dalawa lang po ang tabang ng St. James. First throw. Wala. Last throw, Reyes. Nugod. Rebound Villaluna. Wala pa rin. San Lasino. Basket.